Shake Table Lab by Zev-Javieer. We are drawing our plan on paper to guide us through the building process. To finish the base of our first story, we decided to strengthen it with cross posts. We finished with the strengthening of the first story and just beginning the base of the second story. Strengthening the second story with cross posts so our building is stronger. We finished putting on paper floors for each story. Now it's done. The dimensions of the foundation are 16.5 by 18.5 centimeters. The height of the first story is 19.5 centimeters, and the height of the second story is 39 centimeters. We tested the tower by putting 2 sandbags on both stories to see if the building could handle it. We could have put straws where the arrows are to strengthen the floors. The strongest parts are the corners because they're connected the best. The weakest parts are under the floors because they are not supported. We use most of our tape on the corners. If we had 5 more straws, we would put more straws on the cross posts. The green line is the forward-backward movement, the orange line is the side-to-side motion, and the blue line is the up and down bouncing of the tower. Don't bend. Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's already like bending. It's gonna look bad. Dude, it's... 2, 1, go!
I'm going to tell you a little bit about our building. Our building held 5 sandbags, and 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Our building failed on the border, the frame of it. If we were going to build it over, we would add more supports to the cross posts. I learned that just because it looks good doesn't mean it's gonna do good. I like this build because we didn't have to listen to anybody and we got to do what we wanted to.
Hi, my name is Zev-Javieer and I'm here today to talk about my building. My building supported 5 sandbags, 3 on the first floor and 2 on the second floor. My building failed because the second floor was angled, and so when it was bending, it actually crushed itself. And then because it crushed itself, it fell over. If I were to redo my building, I would try to slant the sticks in instead of out, because our building would, on the first floor, the straws would go out, and then on the second floor, the straws would go in. I learned that most earthquake-proof buildings must have more weight on the first floor, and they must angle in, and they must not be bent. I liked the first floor of the building because it was really sturdy. When I tested it, it held 6 sandbags. That's a lot. Thank you for having me today.